Hi there, this video is to help you check out where your grades are located. So up here you'll see the classwork. In the stream you should see all the announcements that are going on. And here is your classwork. In the classwork part you'll see view work. So this is kind of my dummy account. It just gave me enough things to kind of show you what's going on. If I go to view work, normally it'll come up and it'll show like this. You'll see anything that's missing, something that's turned in that I haven't quite graded yet are going to be in there. You can organize it on the left-hand side here, and your overall grade is going to be a weighted percentage. So that weighted percentage will be things for at-home labs, will be 40% of it, mini quizzes will be 10%, and then 50% will be the in-class labs. In-class labs will be things that we kind of grade in class and kind of go over everything together. So that should be all 100%. But let's say you want to take a closer look at your at-home labs where it's got rubrics and things. So you can click on this view details. In the view details, you'll be able to see what the rubric is and how that went. In here, if you wanted to check out the actual part you attached. So if we check out something you attached, like this was an image I attached. It's not really an image, but you might suggest like a JPEG you attach is actually a picture of your lab, right? Your lab write-out, but you don't see any comments here. However, if you go up to these upper dots and see open in new window, the comments are only visible in your Google Drive. So now I can see the comments that I'm putting in here. And you should have comments in many different parts. It allows me to highlight different spots and then be able to tell you what you've got. Something like that. So you can only see that if you go to these dots. Let's look at the next one. I've got something like this. When I look at it, this is my son's drawing. But if we go a little bit more, we can go open a new window, and then I can actually see the comments that I put in. So that is a little sneak peek that I did not know was like that, and you all have maybe not be seeing all my comments until now, but I'm thankful that has been figured out, so we should be good to go. I hope that is helpful. Thanks.